This enclosure is part of the Arca series manufactured by Fibox. The cabinet is made of glass-filled polycarbonate and comes with a mounting plate, screws and a key. It is non-corrosive, UV stable and rated for IP66 and IK10. It has an opaque grey door that is equipped with two 3mm double bead locks and has an opening angle of 120 degrees. If we go into more detail, we have the patent hinge design that allows easy assembly and gives it a refined appearance. Moreover, the special molded rib design and double corners make the cabinet extra stable, solid and robust. And for high quality sealing, Fibox implemented a wide and secure gasket made of PUR material. To know more about the Enclosure and check similar products, go to TME's website. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.